20 years ago, a vision was born to democratize investing for everyone. A milestone was made in 2005, with XTB being granted its license from the Financial Supervision Authority. In 2007, XTB opened its first foreign branch in the Czech Republic, followed in the next year with further branches in Germany, Spain, Slovakia, and Romania. This was only the beginning, and we have never looked back. 2013 marked the year where we created our first trading platform, the X Station, paving the way into becoming one of the most successful fintechs in Europe. While in 2016, XTB proudly became a listed company on the Warsaw Stock Exchange. 2 years later, XTB expanded its offer, adding stocks and ETFs, laying the groundwork for its current objective: the creation of one complete investment platform for all investors around the world, a place where their money works. We were able to accomplish this only thanks to the 20 years of hard work of over 1,000 employees, professionals, specialists, teammates, our friends. We are XTB,